This is the story of Hilltop Caravans that follow you with luxury and comfort. Hilltop Caravans are getting popular day by day in Australia because of their very high customer satisfaction rate. This is how Hilltop Caravans are built their 23-foot 6 caravan with slide-out bed.
Service is just fantastic from the people that own Hilltop Caravan.
Dom, the managing director of Hilltop Caravans, uses his engineering and IT skills to design each and every model of Hilltop Caravans. All Hilltop Caravans are built on FP chassis. Frank, the owner of FP Chassis, delivers chassis to the main facility. Most of the time, Dom and Dula, the owners of Hilltop Caravans, find time to have a word with Frank. Chassis are carefully checked and then all the electric brake and sway control unit are installed before the floor goes in. Before installing the floorboards, special adhesive is applied to the chassis. Specially treated marine-grade plywood sheets are used for the floors of all the Hilltop Caravans. Heaps of screws are used to attach the floorboards to the chassis. After the final preparation of floorboards, then specially made vinyl is laid on the floorboards. While the flooring goes in, rest of the Hilltop crew prepares walls and cabinets. Once the flooring is done, it is time to install the walls. Both walls are attached by nuts and bolts with special silicone. When the walls are up, the building crew put all the cabinets in and carefully install them. All the measurements are precisely checked before opening the hatches and vents. After the building section is completed, electricians start their electrical work. Then the van is prepared for cladding. Before the cladding goes in, it is vital to insulate each and every gap of the wall by using 17mm thick styrene. Boys check each and every corner of the van and carefully install the cladding. While the cladding goes on, boys prepare cupboard doors and drawers. Once external cladding is done, it is time to install the slider box. Slider box is carefully checked and aligned and tested after the installation. While all these are happening, the internal finishing team and external finishing team continue interior finishing, exterior finishing, and cleaning. Once all the testing is done, the 23'6" slide-out caravan taken to the public weighbridge to get the accurate weight of the van, including the weighbridge certificate. Before the van leaves the factory, quality check goes on. Boys carefully check each and every vital elements of the van against errors. It is time to go for a test drive. Two 170-watt monocrystal solar panels on rooftop charge 220 amp AGM batteries during the daytime. Ibis 4 air conditioner keeps you cool on hot summer days. Two Ranger hatches provide enough daylight into the van. WineGuard TV antenna and RV Wi-Fi antenna have also been fitted onto the rooftop. A-frame are protected with checker plate guards. Decent sized toolbox on A-frame is a very useful item as it has got barbecue slider, top lid on door side and generator slider on the driver's side. Diesel heater is also mounted on the toolbox. Massive storage is in front tunnel boot. Battery box for 2 batteries is mounted outside of the caravan. When the slide out is extended, it sits approximately 650mm out of the van. The blue inserts of 16-inch wheels nicely blend with the decals. 4 shock absorbers been mounted on each wheel offer you a smooth ride. Extra large grey water tank is a bonus when you do free camping. A jerry can holder and the spare wheel are fitted on the bumper bar at rear. Hilltop always uses Safety Dave reversing camera for their caravans. You will love to have 19-foot Dometic rolled out awning on door side of the caravan. Two external speakers, picnic table and entertainment hatch are mounted closer to each other. Automatic slide-out electric step also been fitted to this 23'6" slide-out caravan. All the Hilltop Caravans are manufactured up to the highest industrial standards. Annex light above tunnel boot is very useful when you use the tunnel boot. Let's check inside of this gorgeous caravan. Spacious front club lounge is located at the front of the caravan. There is plenty of storage in the overhead cupboards. Table of the front club lounge can be converted to a bed. Well-designed kitchen has got plenty of drawers. Position of the microwave is very convenient to use. All the Hilltop Caravans are fitted with Swift fan-forced ovens. A 184-litre Thetford 3-way fridge is located at the front of the van. TV arm for the 24-inch TV has been fitted on the wall. All the electricals are fitted above the overhead cupboard above the fridge. Radio has been fitted on the fridge wall. You have plenty of room around the bedroom when the slide box is extended. You will love the spacious bedroom. There is plenty of storage in the bedroom. A 40-inch smart TV is automatically popped up by just pressing a button of the remote. There is a plenty of storage in the ensuite too. Large robe above toilet can be used as a hanging space after removing the removable shelves. A 3.5 kilogram top loader washing machine is fitted next to the shower. Full height fiberglass shower is high resistant against water leaks, and it's very easy to keep your shower clean all the time. Well, Hilltop Caravans always use best out of bests. They are very carefully put together, and attention to details is in very high standards. If you are after a well-designed, luxurious caravan, it is worthwhile of checking Hilltop 23'6" slide-out caravan.